friends, welcome. Happy Friday. So today we are going to do a super cute project. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you've not already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a YouTube friend. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. So this might be a little bit hard to see because it's 17 years old and my ex-husband did put it in the dishwasher, which faded it a little bit. But this, my daughter had given to me 1 year for Mother's Day, and it's a Starbucks mug, and it is a chalkboard over it, and then it came with a chalk marker and you write a message on it, and I can still fortunately read the message because it's very important to me, and I love this so much. And but this is 17 years old, so the one that we make, don't put it in the dishwasher. But I thought that this would be a fun idea to share and just see if we could recreate, because Mother's Day is coming up, but also just anything, right? Anything that's special that you want to give, something very personalized. And like you can see, so she wrote a whole message on here. It would be great for like graduation, things, something to a teacher, all different things like that. So we're gonna recreate it. I'm gonna put mine over here because I don't want paint on it. And I simply have a mug. This one came from the Dollar Tree. They have all different shapes. I thought that this one, I'll get the sticker off later. I thought that this one, would be nice because it's nice and big. It's got a good handle on it. I like the fact that it's blue inside. Now I will tell you, I myself, I'm going to tape the rim because I don't necessarily feel comfortable that chalk paint is okay to put in your mouth. So I'm going to tape the rim because I want to give room to be able to put the mouth on the cup without having the paint in it, So with that, I have some electrical tape. I have my chalk paint, and this is Folk Art. I haven't used Folk Art chalk paint before, but I do like Folk Art paint, so I thought this would be good. I just have a brush, and then I also have a chalk marker. So I am going to put it on fast. We're going to paint it, let it dry, come back, write on it, and see how it does. All right, so I ended up putting 2 layers on it. So now we're gonna just take off the tape. I probably went down lower with the tape than I need to. Okay, so this is a really cute idea. If you do, you could do any size cup. Like I was just trying this, so I did this. I think I would probably do like a taller mug rather than a shorter one. I just think that would look, cuter. I, definitely went down a little too far on my little taping area. I think I'd go up just a hair more, but this is a really cute idea. And you could have a little kid write a message to mom or dad or grandma or grandpa. Reese is drinking water. That's what that noise is. But you know, I was also thinking on like if you do one of the taller ones, instead of using a chalk pen, you could do paint and do like a handprint on it. But super cute. Okay, so on the chalk pens, the one from Dollar Tree is a little more waxy, but what I learned, I'm gonna be using those for like my chalkboards that like I write little quotes on and stuff, because it erases easy. A lot of the chalk pens are super hard to erase, so probably one of those regular chalk pens would probably even be better on here because they're not so waxy. However, the Dollar Tree chalk pen, the fact that it erases easily is really nice. So, and you know, you certainly can use it because I did. So doing Mod Podge ahead of time didn't really do anything. That was a waste of time. And this looks all white because remember, I had just sort of tried the different things on this side. Regular chalk, as soon as I sprayed it, it was no good. And then this is of course sprayed, and then with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge over it. So this is just sprayed with the acrylic spray. So I use the Mod Podge spray, any kind of acrylic sealer over your words, and then just dishwasher safe Mod Podge on it. So, but super cute idea. You know, of course, I'm not using this one because, you know, we tried. But this was really just about trying it and getting an idea down and seeing how we liked it. But definitely super cute idea. All right, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.